I am healing. I am healing every day. I am healing and getting better. With every breath I take, I am healing. I am surrounded by loving, healing energy. I am patient with my healing process. I trust the path that I am on. I am letting go of what no longer serves me. I am inviting renewal into my life. I am healing my mind, body, and spirit every day. I am transforming pain into strength. I am transforming pain into resilience. I am healing and growing into my fullest self. My body is wise and knows how to return to balance. Each breath I take brings calm to my mind. Each breath I take brings strength to my body. I release what no longer serves me. I welcome peace into my life. I trust the rhythm of my own journey. I speak to myself with love, patience, and compassion. My body is regenerating and restoring itself. With each moment, I am renewing myself. I give myself permission to rest, feel, and grow. I am connected to the energy of life that flows through me. In stillness, I find clarity and resilience. I honor the messages my body sends me. I listen to myself with love. My healing is unfolding in perfect timing. I am grounded in the present moment where my peace lives. Every day, I am learning to trust the wisdom within me. I give myself grace on the hard days. I celebrate all my good days. I recognize all the good that I do for myself and others. I make a difference in my life and in the lives of others. I am steady, strong, and healing every day. I choose to believe in my ability to heal. I am exactly where I need to be. Rest is productive. Stillness is sacred. My healing is a gift, and I am grateful for it. I carry light within me, even in moments of darkness. I am allowed to feel, pause, and begin again. Every step I take forward is enough. Each day, I reclaim my energy. I welcome softness, balance, and renewal into my life. I honor my body's boundaries with respect. I am safe in my body, and I am safe in this moment. I am grateful for my mind and body working in harmony. I release all tension in my body. I am inviting positive feelings into my life. I am complete and whole, even as I heal. I am learning to love my body one day at a time. It's safe for me to release what weighs me down. Healing is happening within me, even when I can't see it. I value my daily progress. I am patient with myself. I honor my past while creating space for my future. I am rooted in resilience. My emotions are valid, and I allow myself to feel them fully. I choose gentleness over judgment. My body holds the wisdom of generations, and I honor that strength. Rest is a form of resilience and restoration. I am worthy of soft moments and deep healing. My nervous system is settling, and my body is finding peace. I am allowed to take up space physically, emotionally, and spiritually. Every exhale releases stress. Every inhale renews me. I trust in the unfolding of my healing path. There is no rush. My healing blooms in its own season. I welcome peace into the places where pain once lived. I am learning to live in my body with love and gratitude. I forgive and allow myself to love me fully as I am. I am reclaiming happiness and joy in my life. I release fear and invite trust. I am supported by seen and unseen forces of love. My body is a vessel for healing and happiness. I am becoming the version of myself I have always needed. I am allowed to slow down and be present. My body is a living, breathing expression of healing. Every small act of self-care adds up. I release resistance and welcome flow. I am learning to feel safe within myself. I listen to my body's needs with compassion and curiosity. I welcome rest as a sacred part of my journey. My healing is uniquely mine, and it is enough. Every breath nourishes me deeply. I let go of the need to rush. I am exactly where I need to be. My body is my home, not my enemy. I honor my limits as a form of self-respect. I hold space for joy, even in uncertainty. I am worthy of healing that feels good and true to me. I give myself permission to feel complete in the present moment. My body is a miracle in motion. I celebrate my growth and evolution. I trust the natural rhythm of rest and renewal. I choose to respond to discomfort with tenderness. I allow myself to change, shift, and begin again. I thank my body for carrying me through everything. My healing is a return to my truest self. I belong to this moment just as I am. My healing does not require perfection, only my presence. I trust the intelligence of my body and the wisdom of my soul. I welcome balance inside and out. My body is a partner in my healing, not a problem to fix. I create space for stillness where healing can settle in. I am not alone. Healing energy surrounds and supports me. I give myself permission to feel safe in my body. I celebrate progress in all forms. Healing flows through me like a gentle current of love. I am resilient, even in moments of doubt. I embrace the slow, sacred unfolding of my healing. My rest is revolutionary. My softness is strength. I am worthy of deep, lasting healing. My healing honors both my pain and my power. I forgive myself for misunderstanding my body. I am allowed to grow at my own pace. My nervous system is calming. I am grounded and present. I release shame and replace it with love and understanding. My healing journey is a sacred unfolding. I choose love no matter what. I nurture my body with kindness and care. I allow, listen, and trust in the process. My healing is sacred, personal, and powerful. I release control and invite grace into my life. I am healing every day, and that is enough. You are enough, just as you are. You are resilient and allowed to grow at your own pace. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed these affirmations, please like, comment, and subscribe.